Hi, I'm Steve Brett from E3 Compliance Training, and our aim is to make compliance training fun. I know that's a bit of an oxymoron, but we can make it happen. Just check them off. I think all of us will know that compliance training is a key part of any regulatory regime. The trouble is that the training that most people get is incredibly boring. No one wants to do it. It's just something you get forced to do. It's box ticking. It's monotonous. People would rather go and get dental surgery than do the training. It doesn't work. People pay their kids to do the training. They draw lots in the office. The tests are very, very easy. It's just designed to get people through a process. We think there's a better way. The problem as we see it is there's a mismatch between what people want, what's needed. We need to be making sure people know about compliance and see how it affects their work. The problem is people see it as, why do I need to do this? I've got better things to do. We don't think that's the right way. Our approach is to start with a game. It's got to be fun. We'd start with a process that says people should enjoy doing this. Put it on their mobile device and then add the training in. Make it something that people will actually want to do. No, you may say that's impossible. We found a way of making it work. We've got people who've done our course and they'll do it several times. I mean, how does anybody want to learn about anti-money laundering more than once? If you make it fun, it does happen. It's not just the game, we've also got to make sure that there's all the quality assurance there. So all the data's tracked, so we know how long it took people to answer questions, which questions they got right, which ones they got wrong. So you can look to see within an organisation, do people understand what PEPs are about? Do they understand the difference between PEP reject and a sanction reject? Could be a big difference in the fine you get from the FCA. Gives a lot of engagement, our approach. You know, people can do it when they've got the time. They don't have to sit at their desk for 40 minutes and do something they don't want to do in between meetings, on the train going home. Find a way to make people fit the course into their daily lives. Give a competitive element. We've had cases where people have gone back to the training course just because they've realised the guy next to them's got a better score than them. Doing a course more than once, it's unusual. The other thing is we don't make the course predictable. You know, you could do it once and you get one set of questions, do it again, you get some different ones. So it builds in that uncertainty, gives you a reason to look at it again, see how you're doing against other people. Give you an idea of our approach. So if you want to see a different way of doing compliance training, catch me after and get you on a free trial if you want to have a play with our anti-money laundering course. Thank you.